If you're creating content regularly, learning how to use email templates to speed up content creation can save you hours every week. And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear process to follow and an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend, linked in the description for viewers of my channel only. Let's get straight into it. The goal here is to stop writing from scratch. Whether you're sending newsletters, follow-ups, cold outreach, or content updates to your audience, a reusable email template gives you consistency and speed without losing that personal touch. First, open the software we'll be using. Again, free trial is below if you want to follow along, and head to the templates or snippets section. Every platform calls it slightly different, but the idea is the same. You're creating reusable blocks of content you can plug in instantly. Start by creating your base structure, a subject line, a greeting, an intro, a body, a CTA, and a sign-off. But don't hardcode the details. Instead, use placeholders like first name, company, or offer name. This way, every time you reuse the template, you just swap out the variables instead of rewriting everything. Next, think in categories. For example, welcome email, weekly update, cold pitch, follow-up, promo launch. Create one polished template per category that fits your brand tone and typical message. This will give you a bank of high-quality content you can quickly adapt instead of rethinking every single message. Now here's a trick I use daily. Combine templates with automation. Once your templates are saved, you can connect them to your CRM or email platform and schedule campaigns in minutes. You just select the template, drop in your new message details, and hit go. Massive time saver. Also, don't forget to A/B test subject lines and calls to action. Most software will let you duplicate a template and tweak just one variable. This gives you faster insights into what works without rebuilding from scratch. One more thing, templates aren't just for emails. You can repurpose your highest performing emails into social media posts, blog intros, or even YouTube descriptions. Once you've got the format dialed in, you can expand it across your entire content strategy. The key takeaway, learning how to use email templates to speed up content creation doesn't just save time, it increases consistency, scales your efforts, and lets you focus more on strategy than staring at a blank screen. Quick recap, create a base structure with placeholders. Organize by category, save and automate inside your software, test variations, repurpose top performers across other content channels. If you want to get started right away, I highly recommend using the software we demoed today. You can grab your exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel. And that's it. Hope this helped you streamline your workflow. Now go build that content machine.